Do you have warts? Combat warts naturally with these 5 remedies. Do you know how to combat warts naturally? Warts are a problem that goes further than aesthetics. They certainly affect image, but their presence also indicate a weakness in the immune system. These small, rough lumps on the skin are results of a strain of the human papillomavirus, HPV. If it isn't taken care of by our body's antibodies, it can later attack our body. Warts cause an abnormal growth of skin cells. Plus, even if it's benign, it becomes a bothersome and contagious problem. Because of the latter, it's important to turn our attention to them, using treatments that combat the virus and that reduce their size. Fortunately, there are natural remedies that can give us good results without having us spend a lot on costly commercial products. In this article, we'll share the 5 best remedies to combat warts naturally. Take note. (1) Garlic and lemon. Combining the antiviral action of garlic with the natural acids of lemon juice allows us to create a treatment that facilitates the elimination of warts. These ingredients remove dead skin cells and, at the same time, prevent the virus from spreading. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 10 milliliters. Preparation: cut a garlic clove and chop it into a paste. Mix it with the lemon juice. Application: rub the mixture on the warts and leave it to work for 30–40 minutes. Wash off with water and repeat use every day until the infection is gone. 2 onion and honey. Onion contains sulfur compounds that facilitate the elimination of unsightly warts that form on skin. To treat them, we can combine the antibiotic and hydrating action of honey in order to prepare a great treatment. Ingredients: 1/2 onion, 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams. Preparation: cut the onion and put it into a blender along with the honey. Blend the 2 ingredients together, until a thick juice forms. Application: rub the mixture on the warts using a cotton ball. Leave it to work for 30 minutes. Then, wash off. Repeat 2 times a day, every day. 3 aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. The active compounds of aloe vera gel have antiviral and antibiotic properties that help control this virus that causes imperfections in our skin. Mixed with the acids of apple cider vinegar, we can reduce the size of these small, rough bumps that ruin our skin's appearance. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 30 grams. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 milliliters. Preparation. Put the aloe vera gel into a bowl and mix it with the apple cider vinegar. Application. Rub the mixture on the warts and leave it on like a lotion. Repeat 2 times a day, every day. 4. Baking soda and coconut oil. One of the most interesting uses of the natural exfoliate, baking soda, and coconut oil is eliminating pesky warts. These ingredients have exfoliating and antiviral properties that, over time, help to re-establish the skin's health. Using it regularly stops warts from forming and, with time, helps the healing process. Ingredients. One tablespoon of baking soda, 10 grams. 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil, 15 grams. Preparation. Combine the ingredients in a bowl until a creamy paste forms. Application. Rub the exfoliate on the wart, massaging them in order to remove dead skin. Leave it on for 30 minutes, wash off and repeat every day. 5. Aspirin and natural yogurt. Aspirin contains a substance known as salicylic acid that, upon application to skin, helps to reduce wart formation. These properties mix with the yogurt's lactic acid to make a wonderful treatment for cleaning skin and regulating its pH. Ingredients. 3 aspirin tablets. 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 40 grams. Preparation. Chop the aspirin tablets into a fine powder and, in a bowl, mix them with the natural yogurt. Application. Apply the creamy mixture on the warts and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash off with warm water and repeat every day. Does your skin have imperfections? While these remedies can erase them overnight, using them consistently can help them disappear over time. Try the one that seems most interesting to you and discover how it can make your skin glow again.